Hello Namaskar. My name is Pradipada. Today I am going to explain you how to do tracheostomy suctioning and stomach care and their dressing change. First we discuss about tracheostomy suctioning. For the tracheostomy suctioning, first the basic procedure is arrange all equipments. For tracheostomy suctioning, we just need some few articles like gloves, appropriate suction catheters, and distilled water or normal saline. For suctioning, we can use wall suction or portable suction machine. Next, give proper position to the patients. That especially, you may give the patients to semi-forward position. Then arrange setup for pre-oxygenating the patients and set the suction pressure. If you are going to discuss about suction pressure to avoid tracheal damage, the pressure of the suction should not be exceed more than 120 mmHg. So the recommended suction pressure is about 80 to 120 mmHg. Then wash your hands and put a sterile gloves upon the catheter and hold this catheter like this way. Then attach the suction catheter with suction tube. During attaching catheter, one thing is very important: make your dominant hand is sterile and other hand used for handling suction catheter and controlling the suction pressure. And don't toss the end of the catheter that go into the tract tube. Then measure the proper suction depth. Means insert the catheter into the tube with proper distance. Usually the depth of insertion is the total length of tracheostomy tube plus 1/4 inch. After inserting the catheter into the proper suction depth, then apply suction by applying your thumb over the hole of catheter. And one thing is very important: during insertion, not apply suction pressure, and when you gently pull out the catheter bag and apply the suction pressure. During removing the catheter, gently roll the catheter with your thumb and forefinger, and it is just moving a sweeping motion. And if you are going to discuss about the suction duration of suction should not be more than 15 seconds. So the process of suctioning, it is not so difficult. It is just pre-oxygenate the patients and insert the catheter into the proper suction depth, and during removing the catheter, applying the suction pressure and move the catheter just like a sweeping motion. And next we are going to discussing about tracheostomy stomach care and the dressing change. Again, the basic procedure is arrange all equipments. So for this procedure, we need distilled water and hydrogen peroxide, a clean towels, and a gauze piece, scissor, swastik. And if you are going to discuss about the procedure, the first is again wash your hands and apply sterile gloves. Then pour water and mix with hydrogen peroxide. That is 50% distilled water and 50% hydrogen peroxides. Then take a gauze piece and dip into the solutions of distilled water and hydrogen peroxide and whisk the stoma. And one thing is very important: it should not be so vigorous, it should be gently, and to prevent stoma injury. By using this gauze piece and clean the stoma like this way. Then again take a swastika and clean the stoma from corner to corner like this way. After stoma cleaning, and again whisk this stoma by using dry gauze piece. Then take a gauze piece and cut this gauze piece like this way and dress the tract tube and stoma like this way. So during the whole procedure, the one thing is very important: maintain aseptic technique, and the procedure should be too gently, because if you doing too vigorously, it may lead to stoma injury. And maintain aseptic technique because it may be chances of stoma infection. So to preventing stoma infection and stoma injury, our procedure should be sterile and gently.